Integrate with TaxJar and have your sales tax uploaded automatically. TaxJar makes sales tax filing easier for online sellers and merchants. Visit taxjar.com to know more. If you have a TaxJar account, click to link to your account. Select TaxJar. Click to log into your account. Type your username and password. Click Smart Calculations to get your access token. Copy the live token. Go back to Simply to Be. Paste the token here, click Connect. Perfect. Now, let's see how your sales tax is automatically uploaded to TaxJar. When you enter a payment, Simply to Be automatically calculates sales tax applicable to your state and city. Once payment is completed, this screen will show you the upload status. All good. Now, on your portal on TaxJar, you can see the sales tax that was just uploaded. You just run your business as usual, and your sales tax is not your worry anymore. From Invoices screen, click on TaxJar. On this screen, you have full control on your TaxJar uploads. Subscribe on auto filing on TaxJar and never miss a deadline. Hope to see you in another video. Have a good one.
Simply to Be. Expand your business the simplest way.